In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Analytics, both Universal Analytics and Google Analytics 4, with your Shopify store. Setting this up lets you gather essential insights about your visitors and customers, enabling you to make data-driven decisions that can enhance your e-commerce business. Let's get started right from the Shopify admin panel. The first thing we need to do is install the Google and YouTube Sales Channel app. To find this, go to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, navigate to Sales Channels and then to Online Store, and click on Preferences. Now, it's possible you'll see a notice here about the Google and YouTube app. If you do, go ahead and click on it to install. But if you don't see that notice, don't worry. You can still manually access the app by going to Settings, then to Apps and Sales Channels, and finally heading to the Shopify App Store. Once in the store, simply search for Google and YouTube and proceed to install the app. After the app installs, the next step is to connect your Google account. You'll need to use the account associated with your Google Analytics 4 property. Follow the prompts to authorize the app, ensuring that it can access your Google account. This step is crucial, so make sure to verify everything is correct before moving forward. Once your Google account is connected, we'll move on to connecting your GA4 property. If you already have a GA4 property set up, wonderful. Just select it from the list provided. However, if you haven't done this yet, you have the option to create a new GA4 property right within the app interface. It's straightforward and ensures you're set up directly from the start. After you've selected or created your property, click Connect to finalize the process. Now that we've got the setup mostly complete, let's take a moment to verify everything is working correctly. After installation, you can check for data flowing into your GA4 property to ensure that it's recording events properly. For a detailed view, you might want to use the Google Analytics Debugger Chrome extension. This handy tool lets you see events in Google Analytics Debug View. Simply navigate to your Shopify store URL with this extension enabled, and take a look at the events appearing in Debug View. A quick note for those still using Universal Analytics. If you need it for some reason, be aware that this is handled in a deprecated section within your Shopify admin panel. You can find this under Online Store Preferences, though remember that it's recommended to transition fully to GA4. And there you have it. With these steps, your Shopify store is now integrated with both Google Analytics 4 and, if needed, Universal Analytics. Enjoy all the detailed data you now have at your fingertips. Use it wisely to make better business decisions and drive more success for your online store. Thanks for watching, and I hope this made your integration process a breeze.